Dear friends, let us talk about the agenda why we have gathered here today. आज क्यों आए हम लोग? Right. So, first of all, I invite all of you very warmly to LD College of Engineering for all those students who are out there. Students are there here from AIT, LG Engineering College, Universal, and several other engineering colleges across Ahmedabad. Our faculty coordinator M.I. Vyas sir is also with us for our encouragement. I won't take much time, but I'll go into the agenda and into introducing all the people who are here on the dais. Let me first introduce Professor Anil Gupta sir.
सब जानते होंगे। नहीं जानते भाई, कितने लोग नहीं जानते?
Professor Anil K. Gupta is a professor of Indian Institute of Management, IIM Ahmedabad. हम में से 50% लोग CAT प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं और वहाँ पे जाना चाहते हैं जहाँ पे he is already teaching. तो I think it's a great opportunity for us कि he's come here to teach us something, give us something of his knowledge. He's a member of the National Innovation Council, chaired by advisor to Prime Minister, visiting professor of Innovation Management and Emerging Markets, European Business School, Berlin Fellow, National Academy of Agricultural Sciences Fellow, the World Academy of Art and Science, California 2001. अगर इनके अवार्ड्स की बात करूं, तो I think आज 2.5 घंटे का प्रोग्राम sufficient नहीं हो पाएगा. But I'll quote just one award which he has received. He has received the Padma Shri National Award from the Honorable President of India, 2004. Professor Anil Gupta के कुछ vision, mission उसकी बात करते हैं. His vision is, minds of the margin are not marginal minds. ये कहते हैं कि आम लोग का दिमाग आम नहीं होता. He has established Society for Research and Initiatives for Sustainable Technologies and Institutions, Srishti, and Gyan, Grassroots Innovation Augmentation Network. हम लोग सिटी से जब गांव की तरफ जाते हैं, तो we see a lot of difficulties faced by a lot of farmers, जो बहुत basic होती है. We see पनिहारीज जो पानी लेके लंबा डिस्टेंस सुबह में they walk a long distance अपने पानी को घर तक पहुंचाने के लिए. So they do a lot of work. तो ऐसे ही कुछ चीजों के लिए जब इनोवेशन किया जाता है, इंजीनियर्स जब इस चीज के लिए काम करते हैं, then that is termed as grassroots innovation. Basically for grassroots innovation, गुप्ता सर ने जितना किया है उतना शायद ही इंडिया की हिस्ट्री में किसी ने किया हो. And here he will guide us on the same. I request Maitri to present Gupta sir with a bouquet of flowers. Okay, now guess करने के लिए कोई points नहीं है, but गुप्ता सर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो बैठे हैं, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप उनका नाम बताएं. Everybody knows him. He is the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat Technological University. So इनका मैं कुछ ज़्यादा introduction देने नहीं वाला. हम लोग आज जो भी पढ़ते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, जो भी जिंदगी में आज के 10 साल बाद बनेंगे, इनका इसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ रहेगा. तो I request Komal to welcome him with a bouquet of flowers. Now, अग्रवाल सर के बारे में हिरणमय महांता सर बैठे. He's been with us for almost a year now. Whatever projects we are doing in our final year, that basic idea has been proposed, or rather has been discussed by Agrawal sir and Mahanta sir. So I request Maitri to present Hiranmay sir with a bouquet of flowers.
little hero.
Now I request Komal to present Vipin sir with a bouquet of flowers. बेसिकली हम लोग जिस चीज के लिए यहाँ पे आए हुए, गुप्ता सर एंड डॉक्टर आर मालशेखर सर का एक सपना है कि जो माइंड में जो चीज होती है वो मार्केट तक जानी चाहिए, वो माइंड में नहीं रह जानी चाहिए. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द डिकेड from 2010 to 2020 has been declared as the decade of innovation by the President of India. For this purpose, a few brave people are working in our country, and these are the foremost among them. So I won't take much time on the mic, and I request Agrawal sir to say a few words.
Dr. Gupta and friends, when I was in India before going to Canada many years back, I had heard about the great work in honeybee that Dr. Gupta was doing. When I came back last year, I met Hiranmay, and he brought the idea of Techpedia to me. I liked the idea, and I thought that we should immediately meet. And I think it was on 13th July last year that we met at the MBA Directors Conference. By 2nd August, we had worked out the idea of GTU Innovation Council. At that time, I didn't know really that Dr. Gupta is a member of National Innovation Council. But anyway, we have been trying to work out the idea of GTU Innovation Council, and this idea of your projects is being worked out under that particular project of GTU. What we want is that you may do a simple project, but the project should be innovative. It should be something which comes from your mind. We want you to go to the industry, but then when you go to the industry, what you have to do is you have to see how you can improve a product or a process. Or alternatively, you have to take a project wherein you think you can make a prototype. Now, basically, our educational system, as all of us have been saying, suffers from the fact that it does not allow a student or any participant in the educational system to develop his own innovative ideas, his own creativity. And all these new plans that GTU has are designed to ultimately ensure that we don't kill your creativity if we don't nurture it. So I will not take more of your time because we have some important things to hear from Dr. Gupta. He will talk to you about probably the projects that you can take, the patents which already exist and which can be worked out. So I think I will not stand between you and him. So let's hear Professor Gupta. Thank you.